How to upload music to Spotify on Android. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our phone. Let us open up our Spotify. Okay, so we have opened up our Spotify. What we need to do is go to our settings by clicking on that gear icon above. What you need to do next is just scroll down until you find the option local files. So turn on the option local files, and then let's go back. After that, go to your library, and after your library, go to your local files here. So you can see that all your local files are here, or the files on your phone. So that's it on how to put your music in Instagram. But if you want to have your own music and publish it in your Instagram, you need to have a music distributor first. So I hope this helps you. So thank you for watching.